Hi guys, how have you been? Beef rolls, well, everyone loves it. If you're craving for an easy weeknight meal, these enoki beef rolls are the best answer. Making a perfect meal with rice, they cook in just minutes with savory homemade sauce. So let's get started. Fresh rice with tender beef, crunchy enoki mushrooms, and velvety eggs, all drenched in an umami-rich sauce. irresistible. Home cooking is always the best. When we prepare food at home, we ensure that the ingredients are, fresh and clean. So I hope this recipe will bring an inspiration for you guys. I hope you will try this recipe as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you soon. Bye.